Colleagues, welcome to Famous One TV Ghana, GH Ghana. Now, we have simultaneous equation here, very simple. Let's try to solve it. Now we have root x plus root y equals 8, and then root x minus root y equals to 2. A simultaneous equation. Let's solve them simultaneously, meaning we are solving them together. So our solution now, let us try to eliminate one of the variables here. So we can easily see that we can eliminate y because the operational signs are different and the coefficients are 1, 1. Here is 1, here is 1. So we can easily eliminate y. So in eliminating this, we have to add equation 1 and equation 2 together so that we eliminate y. So let's add the two equations. When you add root x plus root x, it's going to give us 2 root x. Then we add these two together, it will be 0, which is equal to, then we add 8 and then 2, it gives us 10. Now here we want to find our x here, so let's divide here by 2. We divide here by 2. Then 2 cancels 2, so we have root x is equal to 10 divided by 2 give us 5. We want to find our x but not root x. So what should we do? In mathematics, if you want to find something in square root, what do? We just simply square both sides. So we are going to have root x equals 5. We square this side, then we square this side. So the square cancel the root sign, and now we are having x equals to square of 5, or square of 5 gives us 25. So our x is 25. Let us find our y. So x is 25. We put x equals to 25 into equation. Let's put it into equation 1. Our equation 1 is root x plus root y equals to 8. So our x is 25. So we are going to have root 25 plus root y equals to 8. Root 25 gives us plus or minus 5. So let's take the positive of 5. So we have 5 plus root 5 equals to 8. We want to find our y. So here, simple. We group like terms. So we are going to have root 5 is equal to 8. Then it crosses the 5 across the equal sign. It becomes minus 5. So we have root y equals to 8 minus 5 give us 3. We want to find our y. So what should we do? We square both sides. So we square here, we square this one, and this cancels that. So we have y equals to square of 3 give us 9. Therefore, our x is equal to 25 and our y is equal to 9. Let's check if it is true. Now let's put our x here, 25, and then our y, which is 9. Let's put it and let's see if we will get 8. So put 25 here, it gives us root 25 give us 5. Root 25, it will give us 5. And then plus root 9. Root 9 will give us 3. So 5 plus 3 give us 8. And then in the second equation, you put 25 here. So this one too is 5. And you put 9 here, this gives us 3. So 5 minus 3 give us 2. It means that our two values are correct. Thank you for watching us. This is your man, Sir Ike. And kindly subscribe to Famous One TV GH. Thank you for watching. Colleagues, welcome to Famous One TV GH. Now we have this question here and we want to solve this question. Very simple. This is our indices question. We are saying that we have to find x from this. Now 2 power 5x divides 2 power x, which equals to root 5 or 5th root of 2 power 10. 5th root of 2 power 10. It's very simple. Now here, so solution. In indices, the moment you see that one number is dividing another number, one property or the rule in indices says that when the numbers are dividing and the bases are the same, we subtract their powers. So here you could see that this term here is, this one is dividing this, and the bases are the same. So if the bases are the same, we need to subtract their powers. So here we keep one of the base, so we are going to have 2, and then we subtract their powers. So we have 5x minus x, which is equal to, now here, this is fifth root. If it is this is square root. If it is this, it is cube root. If it is this, we have fourth root. So here, this is fifth root. It is fifth root. So here we can write this as 2 to power 10, all multiplying by, and the fifth root can be written as 1 over 5. 1 over 5, because the square root is the same as 1 over 2 half. Then cube root is the same as 1 on 3. Fourth root is the same as 1 on 4, and the fifth root gives us 1 on 5. Okay, so this is what we have. Then we continue. So 2 to power 5 x minus x. For when we look at the exponents here alone, 5x minus x gives us 4x. So we are going to have 2 to power 4x, which is equal to 2 to power 10 multiplying 1 on 5. This gives us 2 to power, we multiply this, 10 times 1 gives us 10 over then 5. Very simple. So we then have 2 to power 4x, which is equal to 2 to power 10 over 5 gives us 2 over 2. Now in indices, one of the properties says that if the bases are the same, we equate the exponent. If the bases are the same, we equate the exponent. So we are going to have, the bases are the same, so you can equate the exponent simple. So you have 4x equals 2. Don't forget, we are looking for our x. So here, what should we do? We divide here by 4, divide here by 4. This cancels that, and we have x is equal to 2 cancel itself 1, it cancels here 2. So x is equal to half. So this will be our final answer. Thank you for watching. This is your man, Sir Ike, taking you through some of the math questions. Don't forget, if today is the first time that you are watching us, subscribe to Famous One TV GH, and you are going to be fed with a lot of these questions. Thank you for watching. Bye.